In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to find your Instagram profile URL link. Let's get started. First, launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now, navigate to the profile page. Once you're on the profile page, you're going to find the option of your profile. Click on that. After that, you'll see different sharing options, including copy link. Tap on copy link and your Instagram profile URL will instantly be copied to your clipboard. You can now paste and share it anywhere you want, like messages, emails, WhatsApp, or other social media platforms. You can also directly share your profile from the same menu without copying the link manually. And if you already know your Instagram username, there is another simple method. Your profile URL is basically instagram.com followed by your username. So you can launch your Notes app or any messaging app, then paste the copied URL link over here. So this is the URL that you just copied. And that's it. This is how you can easily get Instagram URL link. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.